Hi friends, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video. You will see a very beautiful and uh, craft ideas. I really hope that you will like it. So if you like my video, then press the like button and please share my videos as much as you can. In this video you will see a very amazing and very pretty candle decoration ideas. These are very easy to make and very easy to paint. Please floral elegance, paint delicate roses, daisies or cherry blossoms wrapping around the candle. Use soft pastel shades for a romantic vintage look, ideal for weddings or spring decor. Starry night, a night sky with stars, a crescent moon and scattered clouds, dark blue and purple tones with white and gold details create a dreamy cosmic effect, great for bedroom or meditation spaces. Minimalist line art. Use thin black or gold lines to draw simple abstract faces, leaves or shapes, perfect for a modern and classy look. Mandala patterns. Intricate mandala designs in bright or metallic colors give a spiritual and bohemian touch. They work beautifully on tall or cylindrical candles. Festive designs. Paint snowflakes, ornaments, holly or Christmas trees for holiday candles. Use red, green, white and gold to keep them festive. Underwater scene. Soft shades of blue with tiny painted fish, seaweed and bubbles adds a calming ocean inspired vibe to any room. Personalized name candles. Write names in calligraphy or modern fonts decorated with tiny hearts, stars, or flowers. Perfect for gifts or table settings at events. Sunset silhouette. Blend orange, pink, and purple hues to create a sunset background. Then paint black silhouettes of trees, birds, or a city skyline over it. Rustic garden. Use earth tones and paint small vines, lavender or herbs. Adds the natural countryside charm to your decor. So guys, I really hope that you will like all the craft in this video. You will see different painting ideas on candle. I really hope that you really love it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching guys. God bless you. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your days with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Love you all.